It was really an incredible experience. Exposed to the students from Emirati students who have finished their military services, looking for a job at the same time, looking for studying either in UAE or abroad. So it was a great experience to exchange with these students. To redirect them, to help them find their pathway for a higher education opportunity. Importance of this exhibition here, it's a good connection with the government sector and with the military students who are exposed to the to all different sectors, from private, from government, getting in touch with us, helping them understand their career, their future ambitions, and to explore all the opportunities available in the exhibition.